So today I'll be teaching you to design this very beautiful online fruit app concept which I designed a few days back. So I'll be taking you to designing this entire app screen in Figma. So I'll discuss the tool I'll be using. It's called Figma. You can download the Figma's desktop application for Windows or Mac from their website. So let's start right away. So let's start with the artboard selection. The frame I'll be using is the Android. So selected this Android version. The shortcut to open the frame selection is F. When you click on F, you get this different kind of artboards which you can select. I've chosen Android for now. The first thing I want to do is give this artboard this radius, as you can see, which I've given in this particular design. So I'll click on the artboard, and here we have the radius option. I'll give it 16. It is better to have multiples of 4 when you are designing. Now let's go to this screen again, and next what we are going to do is we're going to give a background color to this artboard. So as you can see, I've given this particular linear gradient to this artboard. I'm going to select this. Here we have the fill. Now I'm going to click on plus icon, and we get this gradient. Now I'm going to choose two different colors. So first I'm going to choose white, and for second I have chosen E4, E5, E5. Click on it and set it to 100. Now I just place this like this. That's it. I'm unaware of the color. E4, E5, F5. So sorry, chose the wrong color code. I'm back to this, and I'm going to copy paste the color, and here it is. So this is how you can set the linear gradient. Next I'm going to have this back icon. So for this I have installed a Figma plugin called Iconify. So to open up the plugin, I just need to press command and / and I need to type Iconify. If you haven't downloaded the plugin, you can directly download it from Figma community. Just type in Iconify and you will get it. I'm going to so basically in this plugin I have this different kinds of icon sets available for me. I'm going to search back, and you can choose any back button which you like. I'm going to choose this one as of now and click on import. Clicking on import brings this icon to my frame. So here it is. So I'll set it up here. I'll give a even spacing of 24 pixels from the side. And let's give this icon a color. I'm going to choose a shade of bluish like this. Okay, that's it. Next we have this text Fresho Orange. I'm going to type Fresho Orange. The font I've chosen is Gilroy. You can choose any font you like. I'm going to set spacing again. I'm going to choose a spacing which is a multiplier of 4. So here you can see I have chosen 48 pixels. Next I'm going to set its color. Again I'm going to choose bluish shade. Why I am choosing blue, we'll get to it in the later videos. Next is this rectangle which I have chosen. So rectangle, again click on rectangle, set a height of 2 pixels, and here again a gradient. Now this particular orange image I have downloaded from the internet. You can get it from Unsplash. I think I have downloaded it from Unsplash. Next is this imported 24 pieces. Again I have chosen the Gilroy font, same dark bluish color. Going to again set an even spacing. Next is some text. So for text also, it is recommended you do not use lorem ipsum. That was an old style. We do not use the lorem ipsum anymore. Choose an accurate text which describes your app or website or whatever you are designing. Next is this button. For the button, I'm going to like make a rectangle. So setting a height of 72 and again giving it a border radius. And giving it approximate 250 of a height and a white background looks cool. Next is I'm going to add this buy now text on this button. I'm going to center it vertically and horizontally. Next I'm going to give it a bold font weight, align it to center, and I'm going to give us some spacing in between the characters. I'm going to shift it to here. Next we need a right icon. So again you can go to Iconify and choose the icon as you like, and I'm going to just place it here on the button like this. So here as you can see we have this cool, and let's view it in the Figma mirror. So this is how we have designed it. So it's looking super cool, right? So this is how you can design this cool looking fruits app on Figma. Should you have any questions regarding the design or anything, feel free to post it in the comments, or you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram profile would be mentioned in the description box. Till then, goodbye.